Okay, as soon as I turn the key, let me wait for some silence. Let's see. No noise. No noise. No noise. And it shows more than a half of the tank. So this gauge is certainly wrong. I don't know how wrong, but it's certainly wrong. But let's see if I can show you the noise I want to show you. Hold on. Okay, we have the engine. The noise is starting up, but it's not too loud yet. A little bit rev. Okay. Apparently, the sound I hear is related to the fuel pump. That's the noise. Can you hear that? This is the noise. I'm taking that from inside this part of the car. And this is probably the loudest it gets, but we can hear it from inside the car and from outside. Okay, from inside I am on the back seat. Can you hear that? Okay, that's it. So that's my biggest complaint, and I would appreciate if someone have any tip on what this problem is, or if this is a problem. And what I have to do to fix this issue. As you can see, I just disassembled the engine, and I'm trying to fix another few things on this car because this is my little baby. So I just need it to be perfect. Thank you for anyone who helped me.